I swear someone's here.
Really?
Mate, fuck this. I'm not gonna lie, secret crew. I'm knackered. I need to bed at about 5. For now, it's rugby. Let's go! Just touched down at rugby. It's about 1 degree out there. It's freezing. I made that 0 degrees actually. It is icy, man. Just to confirm, it's not me playing rugby on Sundays. I always watch rugby. Get on with the day, man. Let's go. Coffee, tea. Have a cup of tea, please. Yep. Tea sorted.
Oh, nice tree. Oh, nice tree. Oh, nice tree.
Poor kids. The ground's frozen solid. I don't know if you can see that. Completely frozen, I guess. Life goes on. Games go on. Game's cancelled! What? What? Oh, get up in the freezing cold. Long day to get on with. So for now, let's just get on with it. Come on. In the boat. I know your game. You can try and tap them. Yeah. So I've received a package. I think it's what well, no. Received the package. If it is what I think it is, it's gonna change this vlogging game. Gorilla Pod to make the vlogging better. Let's test it out. Let's see which footage is better. This is handheld. Whoa. 1 vlog camera on a Gorilla Pod. Let's go anyway. Got a busy night ahead. We're about to head out now. Going to visit an abandoned mansion. It's supposed to be pretty spooky. I just want to read a few bits on this place that we're going with. Country mansion, designed by architect James White in the 18th century. What? Then it was completely left until a company occupied the home in 1940 and made it into a factory, and then the family lived in the house. So in 2006, let's get this right, 2006, a company bought it, yeah. That's the outside picture of it, okay? A company buy this house out, yeah? Along with its factory or warehouse that's next to it. Then they stop living there, move, and it gets abandoned. They just randomly move out. Let's get on with this. I'm worried, but let's just get on with it. I'm going to wrap up warm. The next shot will be us just going there, so. Cold. Right, I mentioned this earlier, but literally, the boys are here, and we're on the way. I ain't gonna lie, I'm fucking shitting it now. I don't know what it was left. Hell, bro. This is sketchy shit. What? What? Mate! Gee. Fuck! Look, you're twat, look. Boys. Mate, I swear I fucking heard some of this shit. What's on you though? Do you think someone's trying to tell us to do something?
Give us a bang.
Said what? Said what? Mate, I swear someone's in here. Fucking hell, boys.
Someone in there?
There's someone in the house.
Is someone coming in the house?
No, there's someone in the house, I think. You what?
Hello?
I'll tell you what. If we get 100 likes on this video, we'll stay in here the night. We'll do an overnight challenge in here. You down?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Unfortunately.
This place is fucking sketchy. Shit, you know. Hey, what's this, 3rd floor?
Yeah.
Yes, Mitch Coleman. What are you saying, bro? You been here or not?
Boys, look at this, I swear.
What's that distance?
What the fuck? Nah, trust. Let's go.
Oh, mate, fuck. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Yeah. You are. What? Mate.
Yeah, marks everywhere.
What even is that? What even is that? Bro.
Like a bird. It's a bird.
No, it's not. Tiptoe down the window. What? We're still on the 3rd floor. Mate, I swear this fucking floor feels like it's about to fall through, bro.
Bro, seriously.
I ain't even gonna lie, yeah. I wouldn't want to do this fucking night over here. There looks like someone at the fucking window. The literally just coming down the stairs and Luke does this. Do it again. My fucking bricks it. What's that hanging, bro? I swear someone's here.
Really?
Mate, fuck this. Mate! I kept saying to him, I was like, someone's there. Someone's there. Death chamber, bro. Mate, what is even going on down there? Let's just get out of here, man. Fucking hear noises. Hear bastard noises and shit. Fuck it. Locked. Bro, that's now fucking open.
It was locked earlier when we come in.
It was locked. Mate, that was defo a fucking bank. Defo a bank. Forget that, we're out of here. Literally, when we turned up, that was locked. Now we're on our way out. That's open. That's, oh mate. Forget that, we're off. This has been the Abandoned Mansion, part 1. Like I said, 100 likes and we will revisit this and do an overnight challenge. So, get liking, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. For now, I'm freaked out as shit. Let's go.
Oh, tiptoe by the garden, by the garden.
Fuck this shit. Fuck this.